Do you wish to have a freeze frame in your video, like you are snapping your fingers and you're freezing time or for some other reason? If it's in the middle of a clip, you want to just go over here to the clip itself, highlight the clip that you want, put your playhead where you want it, and just make a cut right there on the video. You then want to move backwards one frame. From there, you're just going to move one half of your video out of the way, make the one that you are going to freeze active. You're going to go over here to the inspector, and inside of the speed change, you want to select the snowflake. That will freeze it. And once you're there, you come over to your freeze frame and just extend it out to however long you want it to be frozen, so that when you play it back, it stops and then it starts again. If you want it to be longer, you just stretch it out more and play it back, and it freezes and resumes. That's a simple way to create this animation.